Hi, today I want to show you customized kits for my MPC on my Mac. I use this little app, 2KXL. I will post the website in the comment section. The app is for free and really easy to use. As you can see, we have here the 6 and we have the different pad banks here. And we have some other knobs and buttons here, but they are not active, they're not working. All you can do with this app is assign sounds to pads. Everything else has to be made in the MPC. For example, if you want to build choke groups for hi-hats, you can't do this here. You have to do it in your MPC. But I found it very handy because it's very easy and quick to build some customized kits. All you have to do is drag and drop samples from your library onto the pad. You can do this one by one, like so. You can grab 16 samples at once and assign them all together. Yeah, sorry. So, yeah, that's basically it. Then you can continue with pad bank B and load some additional samples, or you can stop here. One important note here, the app is only loading 16-bit or 8-bit samples. 24-bit samples won't work, as they don't work in the MPC, and it's not converting your samples into into 16-bit samples. So you have to do this in advance. I usually do this with iTunes. It's very quick. Maybe I'll make a little video on that too. And yes, if you're done with and happy with the kits you made, go to Save As, and you have to use the option with sound, as the sounds you use here are not in your MPC or on your hard disk or card. So save it with samples. We can do a new folder for that. Test kit, and we name this test, the program. So it should be in here, I think. Yes, there we go, test kit. And as you can see, in this folder we have the program file and all the sounds we used for the kit. And all you have to do is copy this folder or export this folder to your MPC. I just drag and drop it onto my SD card, and then I'm ready to go in my MPC. Yeah, that's basically it. Yeah, thank you for watching, and hopefully you find this little tutorial helpful. Thanks.